AI avatars keep evolving with the power of AI. A lot of channels under my niche, including me, are using these AI avatars for our videos because it's 100 times easier and it's actually cool. I just came across one of the coolest advanced AI tools that you can use to make AI avatars. Before going into details, let me show you a video I created using this AI tool.
The Galaxy S25 series is built to redefine what a smartphone can do with AI and next-level performance. The Galaxy S25 series understands what you need and what you will need next. Now Brief proactively shares information tailored to me when it matters most. Personal data engine organized.
Normally, other AI tools can't make these types of AI avatars that are talking, walking, and taking selfies. So the tool I used to create that video is called Rendora AI. It's a next-level AI tool that can create hyper-realistic 3D AI avatars that can do all sorts of activities, including walking, smiling, posing, and showing emotions. You can change their outfits, facial expressions, and accessories. Not only that, but you can create 3D backgrounds and use this AI avatar for various use cases like news presentations, product reveals, and even YouTube videos. I'm going to show you exactly how I created that video using Rendora AI step by step. Let's get started by going to Rendora AI's website. You can use the link is in the description to sign up. Click on Create and select Landscape Mode, and we'll come to this dashboard and get this default scene and avatar. First, let's customize our avatar. I'll click on Avatar and choose the gender of the character. I want a female influencer, so I'll select the gender as female and see what we've got. We've got these good-looking avatars with professional outfits. Now, for this video, I'm going to need an AI avatar that has a professional look to do product presentation. Therefore, let's select this one. I'm going to customize this character. All you need to do is click this avatar, and you will come to this new page. Now we can customize everything, including outfit, makeup, hairstyle, and face. Let's start with face. As you can see here, we can customize the features like face shapes, eyebrows, lips, and ears. Let's select the face shape. I'm going to go with this one. For the eyebrows, we can go with this one. Honestly, you can edit this however you want. Just don't make it look ugly or uncanny because some of these ears and lips don't match the face shape, so make sure that face looks beautiful. Now, let's go to makeup. Honestly, I have no idea about things like makeup, so I'm just going to select something that looks beautiful. I think this makeup style is good. Now, you can click this Apply and Save button. Then, let's check these accessories as well. Again, I'm not an expert in this field, therefore, I'm going to go with this set of earrings. If you want, you can add the glasses as well. Now, let's go to hairstyles. We have short, medium, and a lot of hairstyles available. But for this video, I'm going to need to use a professional hairstyle like this one. Now, you can even change the hair colors. I don't think this color is suitable. It's not professional for this. Therefore, I'm going to go with this color. Now, let's change the outfit. As you can see here, we have a lot of outfit styles for different occasions. I think this outfit is good. It's more professional. Depending on the category of your video, you can select a suitable outfit from this. There are hundreds of outfit styles available here. This is going to be the final version. I think this is perfect. Now, I'm going to try several motions to see how advanced this AI avatar is. Let's try this. Look at the sun. Wow, this is amazing. As you can see here, you can clearly understand that out of all the other AI avatar tools, this one is the most advanced tool so far. All of these moves are super clean. Let's try to take a selfie. I mean, just look at these movements, it's mind-blowing. With this, the avatar customization part is done. Now, let's edit the background studio. Now, you can select any of these background studios for your video. Some of these background scenes have really good camera movement. These can be used for several categories, presentations, product introduction, TED Talks, and even for news-related videos. And if you go to this template feature, you can see a lot of pre-made studios with suitable avatars that you can use for different use cases. The video I'm creating today is a product marketing video, therefore I'm going to select this background. It's good for this sort of marketing videos. For this marketing video, I have created a specific script. If you want, you can use this AI writing assistant to generate scripts for your videos. It's up to you. I'm going to paste the first part of our video script. Now we need to select an AI voice. Go to this option, and you can check these ultra-realistic AI voices. I'm going to check this voice.
A large part of social media, especially something like YouTube, is consuming content. We consume, and we want to consume different content at different parts of our lives. Like there are certain books.
I think this voice is good for our video, so I'm going to go with this. You can even translate the script into another language if you'd like. They offer a lot of language options. Now, let's select a shot for our first scene. In each scene, you can highlight the words and select a camera shot for emphasis. You can even select an action that you want the AI to perform, like nodding, saying thank you, or any hand movements. You can customize each action to match your script perfectly. We can also add pauses to the speech. Adding pauses is so important. It will make the voiceover sound more human instead of AI generated. As you can see here in the back of this stage, there is a screen. You can add video clips and images related to this script. Click this option and you can upload the necessary material to this. Then you can add these as scenes in the correct order. After that, you can edit those extra scenes separately. Click this edit option, then you will be redirected to this new dashboard. Here, you can edit the uploaded video clips to match the voice-over part. It's really simple. Just like this, I have added several background scenes related to this product in the video. Editing these clips is completely up to you. You can add camera shots and actions to the places that are suitable and make your video more interesting and not boring. Once you get used to this, it's not going to be difficult. I have added the scenes and created the video. All you need to do is click this 3D generate button and it will start to render your video if you are not satisfied with the final output. You can go back to the editing dashboard again. Now if you go to this cam edit feature, you can edit and customize the camera shots of this video. With these options, you can customize these camera angle easily, and it will improve the quality of the video. If you go to this Elements tab, you can add background music and sound effects and edit subtitles. They have some background music available. You can use that as well. Or you can upload any music from your device and add it to this timeline. And make sure to match its volume with the voiceover. And if you go to this subtitles option, you can select a suitable subtitle style for your video from these templates. After you complete these, click this export button to export the final output. Let's take a look at our video.
The Galaxy S25 series is built to redefine what a smartphone can do with AI and next-level performance. The Galaxy S25 series understands what you need and what you will need next. Now Brief proactively shares information tailored to me when it matters most. Personal Data Engine organizes information into a knowledge graph. This level of integration is revolutionary and importantly is more personal. Simply talk like you would to another person to complete tasks. Our secure hybrid AI approach keeps your data private and secure. A dedicated security processor and dedicated memory chip work to safeguard your data. Our goal is to enable personalized AI experiences by integrating AI agents and multimodal capabilities on all our devices. Having Gemini just a button press away is a total game changer. It can already think things through for you to inform actions across apps. The Galaxy S25 series is built to redefine what a smartphone can do with cutting-edge AI and next-level performance.
You can use videos like this for your brand or to promote your products, especially if you are a small business owner. You can do marketing videos like this for your brand or products, and you don't have to spend thousands of dollars for it. With this tool, you can save money and time. And guys, if you want to learn more about this feature, you can go to this Rendora Academy page and watch this tutorial. When it comes to the pricing, their starter package is $19 a month, which has 3,000 credits and all of the other features. They also have a free plan, so you can try this tool using the link in the description. And with that, today's video has come to an end. I will see you guys in the next video.